How are you
Good
all?
morning,
Good morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Right.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Om Bhurvasvah Tatsavituurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May God bless you all with good health, happiness and success. Today we are having one surprise. Want to see? Just look at she's sitting in the classroom. Okay.
Ma'am, I have given test.
Okay. Now see, regarding test, what I have written in the class group, I have informed you to submit your test before 4 p.m. आज 4 बजे से पहले आपको टेस्ट सॉल्व करके सबमिट करना है. 4 बजे ऑनलाइन टेस्ट नहीं है. बी अटेंटिव, रीड वॉट एवर यू रीड, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट विथ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. What I have written there?
Ma'am, I have messaged you that I have forgotten to take screenshot.
Got it, Yashika. If you submit, then definitely it will collected in my collection, right? It will automatically get saved in my document. So don't worry for the submission and all these things. If you have done, then definitely I will get it. Okay. Now see, today instead of worksheet,
Ma'am, that test, that quiz you given us was a little bit of difficult. Some words were used like parenthesis. Parenthesis,
no,
ma'am,
it's not.
asked you, ma'am.
Beta, what's your name? What's your name?
Nishtha, ma'am.
Nishtha, it is just from the textbook, beta. No, nothing is difficult in it. Okay, you can call me at 1 p.m. I will explain you everything about it. Nothing is difficult, Nishtha. Each and every word I have taken from the textbook itself.
Ma'am, my aunt is also English teacher. She solved my doubts. Now I am able to complete that quiz.
All right. But whenever you feel that something which is difficult, you can call me instead of troubling your aunt, right? It will be good that I know. Yes,
Excuse me. Ma'am, you sent that quiz. We have to solve that. I have solved.
Vijay Togadia, nowadays you are having lot of doubts but pointless. I have shared on Saturday at 11 o'clock the quiz of Forms app, and it is not a quiz. Again, I am telling you, it is compulsory for every one of you to solve. It is your class test of chapter 1. Everything is written there in the math. Nowadays, mute yourself. See, 6th A, B or whatever class, 7th A, B, C, D. You people are having trouble. You are not reading the full message. You are just reading the few words and getting to the conclusion. It will not help you people. If you read with concentration, then everything you will get in detail. Right? First, implement a habit of reading with concentration. Read the message, whatever shared from the school, you have to read it in detail. एक दो वर्ड्स पढ़ के अपने कंफ्यूजन पे मत आया करो. It will create trouble for you. Right? Now see, the way through the woods. Today we are going to start the poem because we have almost completed 2 chapters in the worksheet. 3 and 4 chapters, we will complete it after completing the poem. Right? So today, before starting the poem, how many of you have visited the park or forest? Let me fill the details and then as we read it.
I have visited.
Okay, tell me your experience.
Ma'am, visiting in a forest is very nice experience, and we get fresh and it is very beautiful. We can, if we visit a forest and if it is a national sanctuary, then we can see animals. And if we visit a park, we can enjoy there and can also go to a picnic.
Yes. Okay. What kind of atmosphere is there in the Yes, beta.
मैम मैं गया था पर मैं गिर नेशनल पार्क गया हूँ.
Yes, so you can share your experience, beta.
मैम पहले मैं एक्साइटेड था कि वहाँ पे लायंस बहुत सारे देखने को मिलेंगे, पर लायंस उस टाइम पे सो रहे थे, ज्यादा दिख नहीं रहे थे. और उधर
First, stop speaking in Hindi. This is not a Hindi class. If you want to answer in English, then you can continue. Otherwise, don't speak.
Ma'am,
after the zoo, the road was totally.
Bhayani, you are not what we call audible properly. Speak little bit slowly, beta. We are not in hurry. Now you can speak slowly. Yes.
Ma'am, the road after the.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Speak up, beta.
in forest.
Yes. If you want to share, you can share it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when I was sleeping at the bed, that time I am very excited that
Beta, you are not audible clearly. Speak little bit loudly.
Ma'am, now I am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, when
Yes.
I was going to bed for sleeping, that time I was very excited that I will go to forest and see all animals, different types of animals and
Okay.
learn more. But when I go to
Okay.
zoo and from there, zoo people was carry us in a bus for a forest. That time there is one lion was sleeping and jungle was very beautiful.
Beta, not audible clearly. Speak little bit loudly. What's your name?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Yashika. You can. And try to on your camera whenever you are speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but when I on my camera, I left because there are network issues.
Okay, so you can speak. We will listen.
Yes, ma'am. They shed the road through the. Sorry, ma'am. The poem, The Way Through the Woods. They shed the road through the woods 70 years ago.
Yashika, you are not attentive in the class today. I didn't ask you to read the poem. I asked you to share your experience about walking in the woods.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Yashika, will you please switch off your mic? Switch off your mic, Yashika. Have you switched off? Good. Now see, I am having one experience to share with you. Two siblings were there, one girl and one boy. Okay, and they were on a picnic, holiday picnic in the woods near their city. When they went for the picnic, the boy was having hobby of catching the fishes. Okay, and the girl was quite artistic. So she decided to pluck the flowers, wild flowers, and make the garland, okay, the har, mala of flowers, right? So she started doing it. Then suddenly she was feeling little bit drowsy. She was feeling like sleeping, and she just laid on the border, okay, on one side of that stream. And her brother was trying to catch the fishes with the bat and all these equipment. She convinced a lot to her friend and brother also not to do this and let's play with me. But then he refused because he wanted to catch more and more fishes. So she just lie on a side and she went in the dream. Okay, in her dream she saw that the fishes, one of the fish caught in the caught in the trap, and other fishes like the fish mother and friends were trying a lot to take out that little fish from the trap. And suddenly what happened? Her brother also felt a good sound, pressure from the water, and suddenly his hand got pain due to the pressure. And when the girl was looking inside the water, deep in the water, she got to know that in real, the mother fish was trying to save the baby fish. This was one of the story of 4th standard. The people who were in the NEPS in 4th, they know this story. This is the story based on the voice tracking. Yashika, it is with you only, beta. You can change your position. Rest of the people are not having issue in voice. Yes? Nishtha, is it going good, Nishtha?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is not cracking.
So Yashika, only you are having little bit problem. Okay, beta? You can check your connectivity. Now see here, Joseph Rudyard Kipling was an English journalist, and he was a short story writer, poet and novelist both. He is most well known for writing the Jungle Book. How many of you know Mowgli, Bagheera, Sher Khan, Akela, all this family?
I know, ma'am.
It is one of mine of Jungle Book. Jungle, what is the song? Jungle.
Ma'am.
Nirva Panchotia, off your camera. What are you doing, Nirva? Be attentive. Okay. So Jungle Book is one of the creation of Joseph Rudyard Kipling. Now see here, this poem is also very interesting. Why? Because it is the poem that is filled with mystery. It's a part of the book that is now overgrown with grass.
Ma'am, please say Mahi agar to mute his mic.
It is everyday problem, beta. How many times I have to tell every one of you to mute yourself? You people are grown up now. Now you are in 6th standard. Then also if I need to give instruction like 1st or 2nd standard students, then it will not work out. If I say you have to follow discipline, don't be unmute, it means that you have to follow it. There is no another option. You people are leaving the class, again joining, again leaving. This will also not help you. I will not going to, recall the thing. Okay. Then see, it is a mysterious story. Okay. It describes a path through the woods that is now overgrown with grass and shrubs. But it also suggests that there is something in the woods that still follows the route where the old path used to be. However, the speaker never really makes it clear as to what is truly happening in the woods. See, in forest, normally there are not only the birds and wild animals. Some animals have dens too, like bear, then tiger, then other big animals like giraffe, then wolves. They are having their dens. So in forest, if we see, there are paths. If some people went in the forest for collection of honey, for collection of medicinal plants, for collection of wood, the path is made by the footsteps of animals as well as humans also. Right? So here in the story, something is really suspicious, mysterious about the path, because the path was now destroyed. It is covered with the grass, but still it is followed by someone. And by who is following the path is not clear yet in the poem. That's why it is little bit suspicious. Now we are going to start the poem. So I want to start with reading. Shamgami will read the first stanza and then I will ask one after another student. Today's strength is only 29 students. Sorry, 28 students. Where are the others? Shamgami, you can continue, then I will ask another student.
Okay, ma'am. The way through the woods. They set the road through the woods. 70 years ago, weather and the rain have undone it again. And now you never would. There are once a road through the woods before they plant and the tree. It is
planted the tree.
Plants and the tree. It is the underneath the
poppies and
the health. And the thing, months only the keeper keeps see. That where the ring door rounds and the back roll at ears. There was once a road through the woods.
Okay, stop. Now next one, Jia will read. Okay, Jia? Let me turn camera to her. Let her read. Is it visible to you people? Is she visible properly to you? Okay. Or you can stand here, Jia. Is it possible for you to stand here? Okay, wait, sit down. Okay. Yes, if you enter the word.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
And the sweat of a caught in the dew. Deeply centering to the mystery solitude, slowly soothed as through the complete the old road through the woods, but there is no road through the woods.
Okay, very good. Now here, the story is having few new words. What are the new words here? Jay Charola. First new word, coffee. What do you mean by coffee? First word, Nishtha. Tell me the meaning of first word.
Copies. An area in the woods where trees and bushes have been cut to ground level.
Very good. Second word, head.
An area of open land covered in wild grass and bushes.
Keeper means?
Here, a person who is the change of looking after something.
Good. Now Yashika Jain will answer. Cantering.
Used to describe a horse running at a medium.
Okay. Solitude.
Lonely places where there are no people.
Okay. Whistles his mate.
Makes a whistling sound so that his mate can find him.
Good. Now see here, it is quite interesting poem. Here are the few new words. One is their picture. Okay. Trout means one kind of fish. And otter means there is one wild animal, right? Otter. You can see it in the picture. It is having on page number 47 of your textbook. Now see here, in this poem, we are going to know about the forest life. Okay. How people make the roads in the forest. So everything. If in our school also, we are having a gardener to look after the plants and all the things, all the greenery around school surroundings, right? So in the forest also, all the time the people, Adivasis, right? The gypsies and all these people who were not stable at one place. They used to cut off the trees while traveling for the wood fuel to burn their chulas and make their dinner or lunch, anything, right? So here, this story is having something suspicious. As the road is off, okay, the people shut down the road before so many days, okay. Then also it is followed by someone, and the poet is not knowing clearly whether it is a person, animal or a bird, but it is having the signs. It is having the signs or symbols that someone is following the footsteps. Now, please mute yourself. Manatarya. Now see here, the next part, the first stanza. Nivdava. Speaker is on.
Ma'am, your video is not visible.
Now say, now is it okay?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is okay.
Okay. Now see here, the first stanza. Switch off your mic, Mahia Ghara. Mahia Ghara. Now see here, they shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. When did they shut the road? 70 years ago. They shut the road before 70 years, right? Now, whether the rain have undone it again and how you would never know. There was once a road through the woods before they planted the trees. Here, see, in the forest, there are the pathways. We can't drive the vehicles in the forest, right? Some regions of the forest we can drive. We can have that gypsy jeep, okay, that wild jeep. If you know the designs of gypsy specially made for the forest trip, Mahindra Gypsy is one of my favorite jeeps. It is really strong and what we call it, it looks very attractive. Basically people hire it, people use it for forest trips. So nowadays we are having the path to drive in the forest. But at the ancient times, people used to have a horse ride or they have to walk by the way, right? If you remember the story of 5th standard, it's not fair. There was also one Brahman walking in the forest, right? Then he made the tiger and all these things happened with him, if you remember. Yes. So,
Yes,
here, poet was saying that the road was shut down. The people shut the road before 70 years. And now, he is not aware, he or she is not aware how it gets started again. Because if we see, do one thing, when your area in your surroundings or the park in your society, okay, there are the fixed paths to move. You can do one thing, start walking in the different way for 10 to 15 days. What will happen? Your footsteps will make another road. Okay, the grass will stop growing due to the pressure, and it will create a normal way, like a path, okay, footpath, okay. And in forest areas, people and animals used to travel by the same way. So the footsteps and the continuous traveling of people made one kind of patterned road. It is not like the concrete road. But yes, of course, you can identify by the texture, by the position of the soil, which is totally pressurized by the weight of the traveler. Okay, and it is used as the forest path. So generally, before 70 years, it was a normal path. People used to follow that path. And due to some reason, the reason is not mentioned in the poem, but I will read it all summary of the poem today. by Joseph Rudyard Kipling, right? I will read the necessary documents regarding the poem, then I will tell you the detailed story tomorrow. But here, what is the main point? We were not aware about the reason. Even the poet is not also telling us the reason why did they shut the road. Okay, but it is confirmed that the road was shut before 70 years. And now, he is not aware how it happened, how it again started to be in use. Means someone is there, any animal or person is there who is using this. Here, there was once a road through the woods, both before they planted the trees. It is underneath the coffee planted.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, Nirva.
Ma'am, I understand poem, but ma'am, you say that you give the test at 11 o'clock, that I can't get into what.
Nirva, speak little bit louder, Nirva. You are too low. I can't get you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now you can hear me?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I understand poem, but you say that you give test at 11 o'clock, but I can't get into WhatsApp group.
Nirva, I have sent this test to you day before yesterday. On Saturday, I have shared you the surprise test. Check the messages of Saturday.
Ma'am.
Yes, Nirva.
Ma'am, I had submitted you the result of test 1.
Yes, beta. Thank you, Niyati. You have done a great job. Nirva Panchotia, I have sent you the class test on Saturday, not today. Saturday से आपको send किया हुआ है, but then also I have not received the all responses. जिन्होंने दिया है, very good, keep it up. जिन्होंने नहीं submit किया है, these people have to submit it before 4 p.m. today. Otherwise, I will put 0. Yes? Any doubt now? Read the messages carefully, beta. We teachers and school is also writing everything in detail. But then also you people are not getting it. It means that something is there. Some miscommunication is going there. Even though I have written everything in detail, may I show you this may I show it to you by doing screen sharing? Class texts are for you, not for me. If any one of you thinks that it is burden, then don't solve it. Few students are really interested. They are having lot of interest in English grammar and all these things. I am doing it for them, not for the lazy students. But yes, I need to keep it as a record. That's why I am asking you. Otherwise, I don't have an issue. Because जितना आप कम दोगे, उतना मुझे कम record रखना पड़ेगा. उतना मेरा फायदा है. I am improving my workload just to make you people feel happy and be what we call more attentive in the sense of English. But you are very, what we call it, very lazy. Nowadays you people are getting lazy in 6th standard. In 5th it was not, it is not acceptable from you people. Because in 5th standard, even though you were small, you people were very active and energetic. 6th में आके सब लोग एकदम आलसी हो गए हो आप लोग. You are not responding in proper way. In the sense of CCA competitions also, value education also, and such kind of activities also. Pull up your socks and be attentive now. Because I am going to mention each and everything in the anecdotal. Even if how many times you get unmute in the class unnecessarily, that one also I am going to mention it. Do you know, we are keeping anecdote records of you people. How about your behavior, about your academic development, about your values, about your handwriting, notebook maintenance, work submission, class behavior. Everything is going to be documentation now. How will you, I'm really shocked to see that only 18 responses I got. In today's morning, till today's morning, I got only 18 responses in 6th standard. You are more than 70 students. 35 plus 35, I think it's 70.
Ma'am, I have solved that. I have solved that quiz.
So not you, na. There are so many students who didn't even see it. कितने बच्चे ऐसे जिन्होंने अब तक उसे देखा भी नहीं है, सॉल्व करना तो दूर की बात. Means how careless you are. Or one thing, you people are careless. Second thing, you are not respecting your teacher. Or third thing, you are not interested in English subject. I can get only three conclusions from this. कि आप लोगों को पढ़ाई करनी ही नहीं है, दूसरा आप लोगों को इंग्लिश टीचर की वैल्यू नहीं है, और तीसरा आप लोग जानबूझ के निग्लेक्ट कर रहे हो. Now you can consider what is your reason of not submitting the test.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, yesterday evening and today morning I was not having my phone. That's why I didn't submit it. But I will submit it after class.
Yes, beta, it's okay. I can understand. That's why I have given you lot of time, na? Saturday whole afternoon, Sunday whole day, night, and now also I have given you time till 4 p.m. No one is giving you time. Such kind of having duration of 30 minutes. Yes. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I was not at home during 2 days, so I have submitted you today morning.
Yes, it's okay. And see, yeah, you are outside is not the point. I was also outside on Saturday, but then also I prepared your test. Giving test doesn't need any textbook. You have learned chapter 1, and you have to write the answer as per the knowledge only. That everything you have done, grammar you have learned on this chapter, writing, everything is completed, even with the worksheet. Then also ये situation है, so what would you do in the 50 marks paper of PA1? Please work hard, beta. Only teachers work hard and
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
paper. Yes.
Ma'am, you tell that today is also quiz before 4 o'clock. Which chapter quiz is today?
To whom I say, Vikram? Saraswati?
Ma'am, you have sent message in WhatsApp our group.
Read one thing, read the message. Read loudly, read it loudly. I will tell you what is it. Read it loudly.
Ma'am,
Rishabh, let Farah finish, then you can speak.
okay, ma'am.
Let me start screen sharing. I really want to, what I call you. Such kind of behavior I don't like. How irresponsible you people are. Let me go to the chat box. WhatsApp. I will show you what I have written there. Let it get open. This kind of attitude will not help you. If you are not interested, tell me clearly. I will plan for those who are interested. Good morning, dear students. This is a gentle reminder for the submission of your English Surprise Class Test 1 before 4 p.m. today. Please be punctual about test and practice quiz. Thank you. Here, स्वरा सोनी, ये रिमाइंडर इतना शुद्ध ही लिखा हुआ.
Sorry, ma'am, by mistake.
Better not sorry. Don't say sorry. Sorry is not a solution. और क्विजेस भी मैं आपको सेंड करती हूँ, पर हार्डली 2 या 3 लोग ही उसे करके देखते हैं. आपको पता है ये बात. जब भी आप किसी को कोई मैसेज सेंड करते हो तो आप उसके ऊपर क्लिक करते हो तो वो ब्लू शेड में चला जाता है. बाद में 3 डॉट्स आते हैं साइड में, उस पे क्लिक करते हो तो वो मैसेज लोगों ने देखा है वो आपको पता चलता है. That's why I have added their quiz. मैं इतनी मेहनत करके आपको क्विज सेंड करती हूँ, आप लोगों में से आधे तो उसे देखते भी नहीं है. तो और क्या करे इंसान? Is it a way to behave in the class? We people are continuously standing on our toes since 8 o'clock to 1 p.m. every day, just to make you people comfortable in online English class. Every one of us is standing whole day to teach you people. We can do just simply we can sit on the chair, start screen sharing and give you the content. But then also I am using that, I am using online pages, the reference videos and all these things. And what is your effort? What effort you are taking to learn English? This kind of attitude is really disappointing me a lot. Just look at the 7th standard students. Every day they are eager to get something new from English. They are asking me to send them every day. But it is not possible. Other subjects are also having their homework and all these things. That's why I am not getting in the process of sending it every day. Be attentive. I am telling you, एक बार शुद्ध हिंदी में जिस किसी का भी इंग्लिश का वर्क इनकम्प्लीट है, ऐसी वर्कशीट, वर्कबुक या टेक्स्टबुक या नोटबुक मुझे मिला ना, तो मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा. I will call your parents and in front of them I will clear it off. आपको कोई हेल्प चाहिए? You people can ask me. I am here to help you. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सब चीजें लाइटली जाने दो. 3 दिन हो गए आज आपको टेस्ट देके और आप मुझे आज बोल रहे हो कि आपने टेस्ट भेजा ही नहीं, मैंने देखा ही नहीं, तो आप करते क्या हो घर पे? आपकी ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि जो भी मैसेज स्कूल से आता है उसको आप पढ़ो, देखो. How you will think, how you will feel if you sent me something and I didn't even see it. आपके साथ ऐसा हो तो आपको कैसा लगेगा कि आपने मेहनत करके कुछ बनाया है, कुछ मुझे सेंड किया है और मैं आपको देखूं ही ना और कोई रिप्लाई भी ना दूं, आपको कैसा लगेगा? Anyone of you tell me, how do you feel if we do same like you? बेटा निष्ठा, it is not about you. Don't say sorry. It is a common thing. मैं किसी एक को नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं तुम सबको बोल रही हूँ कि अगर कोई टीचर आपके लिए मेहनत कर रहा है तो बेटा अपने एफर्ट भी डालो. इंग्लिश कोई लाइफ लैंग्वेज नहीं है. It will help you lifelong. If you become the best scientist in the world, then also you need to present your invention, to present your theory, to present your patents in front of the world. And for this, English language will help you to present yourself. Yes, na? Why you people are really 6th में आके ना तुम लोग बहुत लेजी हो गए, सभी के सभी. Not even a single child is active like 5th.
Ma'am.
Yes, बेटा. ना वर्क कंप्लीशन है ना. अगर ऐसा लगता है हम बड़े हो गए तो गलती कर रहे हो. हाँ, तुमसे बड़े हम लोग हैं यार. Yes.
मैम एक तो 5th पूरा साल हमारा वो बंदा है और ये भी 6 इसलिए थोड़ा हो रहा है.
Reminder to you, if you want to speak in the class, speak in English, otherwise don't speak. You know all about quizzes, the technology, and your presentation in Hindi is really what we call it. We can't trust you there. If you speak about quizzes and technology and you use Hindi in English class, then how will you feel? It will not help you longer. You people have to be punctual about the submission, about the presentation. I always try to speak all the time in English. Even though I think that you people are not getting it, then again I use more and more easy words to make you comfortable with the content. And what you people do, suddenly you unmute yourself and start in Hindi. And if someone watches our video, what they will think? It is the Hindi class. Teacher is explaining in English. Yes. See, I don't like to be rude with students because I love each and every of my students. Not about you. Even you ask me to teach in the 3rd standard, to teach them something new, I am very, what we call, excited to meet students. Every day I am waiting that few of you will keep your camera on and I can just see you, how you people are feeling about the class. By seeing your expressions, I get to know ये बच्चे को ये समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है. And what you people are doing? You are insulting my effort. If I am working hard, if I am giving you something to practice more, and you people not even realizing the effort, you are directly saying me कि मैम we didn't get it, तो गया कहाँ? WhatsApp खा गया, भूख लगी थी WhatsApp को इसलिए.
Ma'am, can I tell something?
मुझे 4 बजे से पहले आज, भले आपका एक आंसर सही आए या 2 आए या पूरे 20 के 20 गलत हो, आई डोंट केयर. मुझे आज 4 बजे के पहले जिनका भी वर्क इनकम्प्लीट है ना, जिन्होंने भी सबमिट नहीं ना, कर लो. नहीं तो मैं 4 बजे के बाद तुम लोगों की मम्मियों को फोन करूंगी कि मैम आपके बेटे ने ये या बेटी ने ये टेस्ट नहीं दिया है, आप सॉल्व करवा के मुझे भेज दो. और अगर नहीं करना है तो बोल दो, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेक another one. It will be beneficial for me. It will save my time. If you people are not interested, then tell me. I will not make it. And inform in school also कि ma'am we are not interested in class test. Then it will reduce my work. Why I need to work more for the test and all this thing? I am working hard to get it done, and you people are not even responding. Then what is the benefit of doing this?
Ma'am, I will send the test today before 2.
अभी भी देखो, मैं इतना जरूरी बात कर रही हूँ और कुछ लोग पीछे बैठ के टेस्ट सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. आई एम गेटिंग योर रिस्पॉन्सेस नाउ. अभी जस्ट किसी स्टूडेंट ने भेजा है. क्यों भाई? मतलब मैं जो बोल रही हूँ वो वैल्यूलेस है, आपको अपना काम अब याद आया तो अब आप अभी रनिंग लेक्चर में टेस्ट सॉल्व करोगे और मुझे सबमिट करोगे. इतनी तो मैं बेवकूफ नहीं हूँ कि टाइम देखे बिना आपके मार्क लिख दूँ. See, you people are taking my kindness and motherhood as granted. अगर मैं आपको आपकी माँ के जैसे रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ, प्यार करती हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप लोग मेरी क्लास में जो मन में आए वो करो. This is the strict warning to all of you. Joining on time, leaving on time. ऑनलाइन क्लास में टेस्ट जब भी क्लास हो 5 मिनट के अंदर पूरी क्लास ज्वाइन हो जानी चाहिए. और जब तक मैं ना कहूँ no one will get left. सेकंड थिंग, होमवर्क को, क्लास वर्क को, सभी चीजें मुझे टाइम पे चाहिए. आई विल आस्क एनी वन ऑफ यू टू शो मी योर थिंग एंड यू हैव टू बी रेडी बिकॉज नो वन इज राइटिंग बी रेडी विथ योर स्टडी मटेरियल. आई एम राइटिंग इट इन माई लिंक. I can ask any one of you any time to show me anything which is completed by my side, and you people have to do it. Okay? What that?
Excuse me.
Eat one extra roti, right? On behalf of me. Okay? All right. Yes, Nishka.
Ma'am, it might be possible that I will not attend the class tomorrow. It might be possible, not final.
It's okay. Okay, no problem, Nishka. Take care. Do you have any medical emergency or any function?
Ma'am, I am having some function. That's
all right. It's okay, beta.
It's not final that we are going.
Yes, it's okay. You can see the video recording. Okay, link of the class. You will
Thank you,
in
ma'am.
our class. All right. Take care. Okay. And say, मेरी डांट को बुरा मत मानो. Because see, I really think you people as my own child. That's why I have a right. Whenever I think to tease you, I will be there. Whenever I want to pat on your back, I will be there. शाबाशी देनी हो तो भी मैं होंगी, डांट खानी हो तो भी मैं होंगी. जिसको बुरा लगा 1 रोटी एक्स्ट्रा खाना. All right. Now see, time of presenting. Before going to start presenting, today's homework, write the word meanings of the poem. All right. At home, okay, write the word meanings of the poem, the way to put in your FNB. Now, it's the time of present. Give me your presenting.
Ma'am, who is there in class?
Beta, Jia Desai. Do you know Gia? Gia is here in the class with me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, I know
Now
she is my best friend.
Yes. Now present time. Wait for a while. Let me check things. You have to type yes in the chat box. Okay. Wait for a while. Today I scold you people a lot, right? Eat roti extra on behalf of me. Okay. Sham is going to eat. Yes, Sham? Now
But ma'am,
present
you
him.
call for our benefit.
Good. Sarangagara is present. Mannat Arya, Mubin Bakhtaria, Yash Bhayani.
Ma'am, Mubin Bakhtaria is present.
Okay, Mubin. Sham Bhimani, Soumya Bhimani, Jay Charola, Bhavya Sai, Neev Dawa, Jia Dawa. Okay, Amna Payak.
ma'am.
Okay, Amna Payak, Sham Gami, Rishabh Gandhi, Nishtha Gule present, Divya Halwadia, Yashika Jain, Veer Kela,
Present.
Veer Kaila,
Present, ma'am, Yashika Jain.
Veer Kaila, Priyanshu present, Veer present, Darshil Narania, Darshil, Priya, Nirva Panchotia, Harry Patel,
Harry Patel present.
Yashvi Thakur, hero present है, Yashvi Thakur, Niyati Rayani, Akshara Ranpara, Kir Sarodia, Akshara Ranpara, Sarodia, Veer Karsavadia,
Veer Prasadia present, ma'am.
Swara Soni, Dvija Togadia,
Vijay Togadia present.
Soumya, Kavya Vadera,
Kavya Vadera present, ma'am. Ma'am, Swara Soni is present. Ma'am, Swara Soni is present.
Akshara, Kir Sarodia present है, Akshara, Ashutosh present, Smith Vasani present, Jay Sarwalia, Jay Sarwalia. Okay, see. Again, today's absent is Akshara Ranpara, Jay Sarwalia. Give me confirmation, right? Then Darshil Narania, Amna Payak, then Soumya Bhimani, Sham Bhimani, Sarangagara. Is it right? Today's homework. Hi Kavya. What happened, Kavya?
Ma'am, I have stomach pain.
Oh. Take care, okay, beta? Have a good day. Do you have any query about today's homework?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.